add yours not working on Instagram. If you're unable to use the add yours features or filter in your Instagram, then what you have to do is you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you just have to go ahead and open up a Instagram application, and when you open up or log in into your Instagram account, that's how it's going to look like. So here what you have to do is, if you're unable to find it, so then you could go ahead and update your Instagram application. So exit out of your app and then go to your Play Store, and on the search box type in Instagram and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After the app is completely updated, then you could go and log in into your account and check whether you are able to use the feature or not. If that does not seem to be working out, you can also try logging out of your Instagram and then log in back once again, and that should be able to fix the issue. And in some cases, the following feature is not available in some part of the country, so you just have to make sure that the following feature is available in your region or not. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you could also go ahead and change your account settings. So if the Instagram add your sticker is not working in a personal account, you can switch to a professional account, and you might be able to access the sticker to change your account type. That is, you can go to your profile and then tap the tab bar icon from the top right, and then you could go ahead and choose account or switch to professional account. So for that, you just have to scroll down a bit, and then you need to go to accounts, tools and type, and you could go ahead and switch over to professional account. That should be able to fix the issue. So that is how you can fix add yours is not working on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.